OMG. The switch is not working. I just replaced the light bulb 10 seconds ago. Hi, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I want to give a shout out to one of my friends, Father Matt. Join his channel if you want to see his video game channels. And currently I have a contest. I'll put in a description link below. Have a faulty switch, or if you want to replace it for a new one, no problem. I'll show you guys how to do it. The very first thing you want to do is turn off the breaker. Make sure there's no power going to this switch. If not, you're still able to do this live, but just be careful not to touch the wires. Let's take off the cover first. Top screw. Now carefully pull it out. Now there's going to be two wires. They could either be curled behind a screw, but in this case it's stabbed at the back. There's two options to take all the wires out. You could either cut them off or twist and pull away from the switch to get them out. It can be tough. And be careful not to touch these screws. One. Two. So once again, be careful not to touch the bare wires. Let's bring in our new switch in. Now there's two options you can hook this up. You could either put it in these holes, or you can wrap around the screws. I'm just going to stab them back in the hole. Push all the way down. Now I can put my switch back in. Make sure the switch is facing right side up. You'll see that there might be markings on your switch that says top on them. You have to look very closely. This says top. Or generally the screws on the right side is facing on the right side of the switch. Be careful of not having the screws touching the metal box. You can trip. Before cutting all the way down to the wall, I'm going to get my level. I want to make sure this is leveled before I secure my switch to the wall. Okay, I'm happy at this part. This is pretty level. And I can tighten down my screws. Okay. Once you're happy, you put the plate back on. Okay, let's test this out. But before that, make sure you turn on your breaker if you turned it off. Let's see if it works. Oh, Eureka! And that's how you replace and install a switch. And that's how you replace and install a switch. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Peace out.